Today we're going to do a quick and easy one. Behind me is my 2018 Silverado. Recently we moved, new garage, which means new garage door openers. So quickly I'm going to walk through how to program the built-in garage door buttons in this thing. Alright, so this process is pretty easy. You can see above your rear view mirror, you're going to have the garage door buttons. There's the ability to do 3 separate ones. So what we're going to do here is you're going to need your garage door clicker, and then you're going to need to determine which button you want to program it to. When you press the button, you're going to see it's going to slow blink. That's when it's in its programming phase. It'll do a fast click when it's actually programmed. In order to get it to learn it, though, you need your garage door clicker to also do that. So in parallel, you're going to press and hold your garage door clicker and press and hold the button on your garage door opener for the truck. And then once it blinks fast, it should mean that the programming is complete. So we're going to try that right here. So you can see the slow blink right now, and you can see that the garage door clicker is blinking. Switch to a fast blink, so we're going to let go there. We're obviously in the garage, so the door is opening just in general. So if you have a rolling code set up like I do, there's one more step to this. So what you're going to do is you're going to get out of your truck, find your garage door opener. Mine is a Genie. There's a program button. So we're going to press and hold that until the lights start blinking. So you can see it change to blue. So now within 20 seconds, come back to your truck, press your button once, twice, 3 times. Alright, so you can see that the garage is starting to open now. So the rolling code process should be complete. Go back to your garage door opener. You see we're green here. So now just to confirm, see if we're all good. Once again, we're going to press that button. And looks like we're good to go. If anybody's got any questions, make sure to ask. If you got a truck that's not a 2014, 2018 Silverado Sierra, or I guess really any car in general, if this works, make sure you leave a comment below. That way we can update the description. We try to help anybody we can here. So if anybody's got any questions, make sure to ask. If you want to see more, make sure to subscribe. Thanks.